Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prepful. In the last few videos, I taught you about the overview of your PTE exam, what type of questions you're going to get in your test, and how to solve your writing and speaking section. Continuing the series, in this video, we will be learning about the common mistakes and the common pitfalls that you need to avoid in your reading and listening sections. What all tips that you can follow to ace these sections and how you can improve your score. So, without any much ado, let's start. Your reading and listening sections are short, but they're scoring also. So, if you are going to solve them carefully, you can really easily score 100% marks in that. Many of you face this problem that you're unable to complete your reading section on time. And also in your listening section, because the audio gets to be played only once, you get confused with your answers. I will tell you certain tips and tricks that are actually going to help you a lot. So first, let's start with your reading section. The reading section tests your comprehension, grammar sense, and logical sequencing, not how fast you can read. Now, do not treat your reading section like it's a race. Search for meanings, not only for words in that. Follow this 3-step process. Skim, get the idea of the paragraph first. Scan, focus on keywords, connectors, tone words. And at last, spot. Look for the answer logic, not just exact words. Now, what are the mistakes that you have to avoid in your reading section? Do not read everything word by word. It is going to waste your time. Do not get stuck on a complicated sentence. If you are not able to understand it, just move on. And also, do not panic on unfamiliar vocab. Now, how you can actually solve these and what are the tips that you need to carry in your mind? Read short articles daily, for example, from The Economist, BBC, etc. Practice skimming paragraphs in 20 seconds. Underline transition words whenever you are reading any passage, such as however, moreover, in contrast, etc. Now, the next part of your reading section is that you have to focus on your grammar and vocabulary so as to improve your reading accuracy. Reading tasks silently judge your grammar and you have to be really good at it. Even if it's not a grammar test, it relies heavily on your ability to spot correct subject-verb agreements, understand collocations and usage of idioms, detect signal words such as although, despite, unless, and hence. Now, what are the certain tips and tricks that you need to keep in mind while you are preparing to improve your grammar and vocabulary? Build a word bank of common academic expressions. Cause, effect, compare, contrast, sequence words. Review common collocations. Example, make a decision, not do a decision. Learn noun, verb, adjective transformations. For example, produce, production, productive. Now, what are the traps you need to avoid? Guessing just based on logic, not grammar. Ignoring negative words in questions, for example, which is not true. Not answering options carefully before jumping in. Now, here is the pro tip. Whenever you are going to get multiple choice, multiple answer or multiple choice single answer questions wherein you have to find your answers from the passage, read the questions first. Once you have read the question first, once you have picked up your keywords from the question, then you move to the paragraph, then you move to the passage. Then you read the passage, spot the same keywords over there, and then this is the way how you can actually spot your answer in your paragraph. Now, this was for your reading section. Let's now jump on to the listening section so that you know all the tips and tricks of how to ace your PTE exam. Now, what makes listening tough in PTE? You only hear the audio once. Yes, there is no replay, there is no pause, there is no reminder that. You need 3 skills together. First, focused listening, not passive hearing. Second, note taking. Quick, strategic keywords to be noted. Third, immediate processing, understanding and answering instantly. Now, certain habits that I'm going to tell you, you have to build these habits and you have to make sure you are practicing them while you are preparing for your PTE listening section. Practice 5 minutes of focused audio every day. Take notes using symbols, arrows, and abbreviations. After every clip, summarize in 1 sentence from memory. Now, what are the few common mistakes that we regularly see students keep making? These mistakes are writing full sentences instead of keywords, getting distracted mid-audio, trying to memorize instead of understanding. The next portion is going to be your dictation and spelling mistakes. Write from dictation tests everything: listening, memory, spelling, and grammar. To ace it, Train your ears to catch short function words. For example, is, has, the, at. Learn common academic sentences patterns. Do 10 daily dictations for 2 weeks. Improves 30% minimum. Now, what are the common errors that you need to avoid, or what are the common mistakes that you really need to keep in your mind? Mixing words. For example, writing affect instead of effect. Missing small words that actually break your grammar flow. Reordering words incorrectly. You have to make sure that you are practicing your listening section daily. It will not take much of your time, but it is actually going to help you a lot. Now, if you are preparing for your PTE exam, or if you are planning to prepare for your PTE exam, make sure you save this video and also refer to the videos that we have posted earlier. If you face any question, if you face any query, please feel free to comment below. I will be replying to all the comments personally. Till then, like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel, and in case of any confusion, contact Prepful.